Okay, let's move on to our next topic, no? Splitting a single cause of action, no? How does this happen, no? Two or more suits, one cause of action. Okay, flip side natin, pag joinder of causes of action naman, two causes of action, one suit, no? So flip lang, ano lang sila, opposite, no? If there is a splitting, no, of a single cause of action, the filing of one or the judgment on the merits in anyone is available as a ground for dismissal of the others, no? So pag litis pendensya o res judicata, kung dalawa po yung final na kaso, one out of the two lang ang madidismiss. Okay? Kasi ang sabi po sa Section 4, Rule 2, dismissal of the other. So may isang matitira. Okay? However, if there is willful and deliberate forum shopping, all actions shall be summarily dismissed by the court with prejudice, no? So punta tayo sa litis pendensya, no? What are the three requisites of litis pendensya? So unang-una, identity of the parties. Next, identity of the rights asserted and the reliefs prayed for. Alam naman natin na pag one right, one cause of action. So kung pareho yung right na inassert, pareho yung cause of action. Okay. Last requisite is identity of the two preceding particulars, no? Such that any judgment rendered in the pending case would amount to res judicata in the other case. So dito po sa tatlong requisites na ito, ang pinaka-important dyan yung first at saka yung second. Parties at saka rights asserted, reliefs prayed for. Yan ang, dyan lagi nagkakaroon ng tanong, no? Pag natanong ang litis pendensya. So what do we mean when we say identity of parties? Kailangan ba kung si A versus B yung first case, dapat yung second case A versus B pa din? Paano pag naging B versus A? Nagkabaligtad. So A versus B, si B, nag-file naman siya ng sarili niyang kaso kay A. Meron bang identity of parties doon? No? Sagutin natin. Identity of parties, no, merely requires substantial identity and not absolute identity. Substantial identity means that there is community of interest or privity of interest between a party in the first and a party in the second case, even if the first case did not implicate the latter. Anyways, so yung sa example ko kanina, okay lang na ma-flip A versus B, yung next case B versus A. In this scenario, meron pong identity of parties. Kasi merong substantial identity. May community of interest between A and B. Okay? In the case of heirs of Trinidad de Leon versus Court of Appeals and Magueso, no? The heirs filed an action for annulment of registration of two unregistered lots against Magueso. Later, may kawayan as the buyer of the lots from Magueso. So, ang context po dito, si Magueso nakakuha ng registration